Now let us see a problem on biogas plant. Here is a question. It is given, calculate the number of animals. So the question is, we have to find the number of animals and volume of the biodigester. So these are the questions. We have to find the number of animals and the volume of biodigester required to produce power for a household which has power requirement of 0.8 kilowatt for lighting and cooking purpose. So the meaning is, this biogas plant will be used for lighting and cooking purpose, and it should generate a power of 0.8 kilowatt. So this is the power produced by the biogas plant. Now take CV of methane. CV is a calorific value, and biogas mostly in major proportion it contains methane. So the calorific value of methane is 28 megajoule per meter cube. And whatever is given here, I will be writing that in the form of data. We can see it over here. First we have to find the number of animals, then the volume of the digester. Power, it is given in the form of 0.8 kilowatts. Now since it is in terms of kilowatts, first I need to convert this in terms of kilojoule per day. So for that, since it is 0.8 kilowatt is kilojoule per second. So in 1 second the power produced is 0.8 kilojoule. So what we have to do here is multiply this with 3600 seconds. So it becomes the power produced in 1 hour. Then multiplying it with 24. So I'll get the power which is produced per day. So this power plant is giving 69.12 into 10 raised to 3 kilojoule per day. This is the unit which we want. Kilowatt is to be converted in kilojoule per day. Then CV, the calorific value of methane, is given 28 megajoule per meter cube. So for megajoule we have to convert it in terms of kilojoule. Simply multiply it with 1000. So multiplying this with 1000 or 10 raised to 3 gives me the answer in kilojoule per meter cube. Next, burner efficiency is given 70%, or we can say 0.7. After that, the retention period. Retention period is 30 days. It means whatever the waste which we are putting in the biogas plant, it has to be kept for a period of 30 days for fermentation so that the biogas is produced. So that is the retention period of 30 days. Next, they have also given the dry matter per animal per day is 1.8 kg. It means from one animal we are getting the dry matter. This dry matter is nothing but the cow dung, which is 1.8 kg. So dry matter per animal per day is 1.8 kg, and the density of the dry matter is given as 50 kg per meter cube. So that is rho, the density of the dry matter, 50 kg per meter cube. And next it is given the biogas yield is 0.3 meter cube per kg of dry input. So the meaning of this data is, out of the 1 kg of dry input, means if we are giving 1 kg of cow dung or dry matter into the biogas plant, out of that we are getting 0.3 meter cube of biogas. So that is the biogas yield, and methane proportion in biogas is 0.6. So they have given it over here that the biogas, it may contain some other gases as well, but the major proportion is of methane. So methane is having a proportion of 0.6, or we can say 60% is methane. Now for this data which is given over here, we have to find how many animals would be required to produce the waste which will be required for this biogas plant, and at the same time we have to calculate the volume of the biodigester. So for that, how to start the question? First is, I will be writing it over here, that therefore the total number of dry matter available per day, since one animal is giving a waste of 1.8 kg, and like that we have n number of animals, this n is not known to us, that's the question. So I will be multiplying 1.8 with n to get the total mass of dry matter per day. So it will be in terms of kg per day. Next, after getting mass, since density is mass upon volume, so volume becomes mass upon density. So therefore the volume of fluid in the digester, because this dry matter will be fed in the biogas plant, so the volume of the fluid is mass upon density of dry matter. Mass is 1.8 into n, density is 50. So after solving this, the volume of fluid which we are feeding in the digester in the form of the dry matter is 0.036 into n, means Vf also we are getting in terms of n, because the number of animals are not known to us, and the unit is meter cube per day. So that is the volume of fluid. Next, therefore the volume of the digester which is asked in the question, it is given by Vf, the volume of the fluid which we are feeding per day, into the retention period, for how many days we are continuously feeding this. So therefore Vf is known to us, multiplied by the retention period which is 30 days. So therefore this value of Vf is having a unit of meter cube per day, into retention period is in the form of days. So days and days will get cancelled out. So what we are left is the volume of digester in the form of a unit of meter cube, and it comes out to be 1.08 into n, where n is the number of animals. So that becomes my equation number 1. Now once we have reached over here, therefore the volume of biogas produced per day, this I am talking about, it is the total volume. So therefore denoted by V suffix b, biogas yield which is per day, meter cube, it will be in the form of meter cube per kg, and meter cube per kg multiplied by total mass of the dry matter which will be in terms of kg. So meter cube per kg into kg, kg and kg will get cancelled, what remains is meter cube. So that will be the unit of volume of biogas. So it is 0.3 given in the question, into total mass of the dry matter is 1.8 into n, calculated in the first part. 1.8 into n. Now when I multiply these terms, I am getting V suffix b, volume of the biogas is 0.54 into n, that is meter cube per day. So therefore now at last I will be writing power produced per day. See, we have to remember the formula of power, and it is in the terms of per day, given by burner efficiency multiplied by calorific value of fuel into V suffix b into CH4 proportion, that is the methane proportion. So this formula you will have to remember for the biogas power plant. Now burner efficiency is 0.7, power produced per day, I have converted this in the data. It was given in kilowatts, so converted into kilojoule per day, and here I have written what units we require. Power should be in terms of kilojoule per day. Burner efficiency is 0.7. Calorific value should be in terms of kilojoule per kg given in the problem. V suffix b, the value over here 0.54 into n in terms of meter cube per day. CH proportion, the methane proportion is 0.6. So here only one unknown is there, which is small n, that is the number of animals. So on calculating this, I am getting the answer as number of animals comes out to be 10.88. So it has to be converted into the next higher value, because the number of animals can't be in the decimal form. So it comes out to be 11 animals, means 11 animals are required to operate this biogas plant for the given power. Now we have to put this value of small n in equation number 1 to get the volume of the digester which was asked in the question. So 1.08 into n, n is 11. So therefore the volume of digester comes out to be 11.88 meter cube. So with that the problem gets completed. At the end, if you will find my videos helpful, you can like, share, comment and subscribe our channel and share it amongst your family and friends. Thanks for watching.